The date is the 3rd of April 2020. The time is 3:15 AM, and I just suddenly woke up with a strange kind of dream, and I just thought Jehovah's telling me to go outside and check that noise again. That moon's a bit strange over North Icombe congregation of Jehovah's Witnesses. What was that? Was that really a trumpet sound? I've been expecting that, to be honest. I said to my friend Trish I would like to hear a trumpet sound. But it's a bit light in the south there. And then that's the east. A little bit light, like a patchy white bit in the sky. This noise is getting louder every night now. I look forward to tomorrow night. There's definitely a humming sound like electricity and a generator. This goes on all night long. As I say, I just suddenly woke up with a strange feeling. It's really weird. I just suddenly woke up, thought I've got to go outside. I've just heard that trumpet sound. I think it was a trumpet sound. It was something. Yeah, there's a strange glow in the sky. You can't quite see it, but it's definitely lighter in that area in the east. No, there's next door's boiler coming on again. I'll have to stop now because that's interfering. Bye for now. Just come outside again and just caught this. The moon is behind that cloud, but look at the red glow. That's really weird. Get a close in of it. What is that? What is that? That is really strange. That's Eric's boiler next door, you can hear. I'll go off in a minute. Wow, that's dramatic, isn't it? Hang on, don't know why that's gone dark. Wow, it's really noisy now everywhere. What is that? That's more than the moon behind that. Seriously, that's supernatural light. There's no way the moon can be causing that. Surely not. What the hell is going on? You just heard the trumpet sound in the previous video, and now we've got this strange orangey colour. I mean, the moon is in that direction, but I doubt it would cause that kind of phenomena, to be honest. That's really dramatic, isn't it? With the noises as well. How weird. Humming's getting louder. That's over the North Icon congregation of Jehovah's Witnesses again. That's loud. Those noises are getting louder every night. And that's the south. It's a bit light. But that picture's dramatic, really. Just that noise is really weird. Anyway, I'll call it a day there. Bye for now.